Today's segment sponsored by Trinity Health Medical Group. You know, when the weather changes, like summer weather arriving here in West Michigan, it's a different way to take care of your body than in other temps. The warm temps, the sunshine, the longer days, you can enjoy those. It's great to get outside and get moving, but taking care of yourself might look a little different. Jessica Lee, a nurse practitioner at Trinity Health Medical Group, Browning Clater, is here to share a few reminders to help keep you and your family safe as you get out and enjoy summertime in West Michigan. Good morning, Jessica. How are you?
Good morning. I'm well. How about yourself?
I'm doing great. You know, the rising temps are out there. I'm assuming lots of time on the beach. Dehydration probably is something that, well, I don't really drink enough water as it is during the cold months. So what are a few of the signs that someone might be in danger of being dehydrated?
Yeah, so as the temperature goes up, our body temperature also goes up, and our body compensates that through sweating. And once we start sweating, we start losing fluids in our body. And some of the symptoms you may have is headaches, dizziness, fatigue, lightheadedness, weakness. And then you can also notice dark yellow urine. So a healthy urine should be like a pale yellow color. And if you notice that your urine is decreasing and it's darker in color, that's one sign that you watch out for. And especially in pediatric population, you want to watch out for decreased wet diapers. And when they're crying, you might notice that there's not much tears coming out of their eyes. And if they're usually very drooly, you might notice that there's not much saliva.
Thank you so much for including that pediatrician's information, because I think obviously when kids are thirsty, they can tell you, but those babies can't. What are some tips to avoid all this?
I'll say, first of all, drink lots and lots of water. I know we recommend that adults, you drink 8 glasses of 8-ounce glass, sorry about that, a day. But you would probably want to drink more than that out in the summer, and you definitely want to dress for the weather. You don't want to be wearing turtlenecks and sweaters in the hot summer day, and you want to also stay indoors during the hottest time of the day and stay in the shade and take breaks from the sun.
Let's say we want to get out, though, no matter what, we're going to be out there. What about some tips for people to keep in mind as they do head out and enjoy that sunshine?
Okay, so Skin Cancer Foundation says that 1 in 5 Americans will develop skin cancer by the age of 70. So that's a very high population. And UV rays from the sun is how you get skin cancer cells. So it can cause early skin aging and different skin growth and different pigmentations, and also potentially cancer cells. So the best thing to do is to apply sunscreen and reapply that sunscreen at least every 2 hours, especially more often if you're swimming or if you're sweating a lot as well. And like I said, take breaks from the sun.
Got to get that sunscreen. That's key. Do it every day. So sun safety, we're not dehydrated. What about enjoying the water? Whether it's a pool or maybe swimming in Lake Michigan. What do parents need to keep in mind when enjoying the water this season?
I would say constant supervision, no matter what. So especially even adults who are inexperienced swimmers, or even younger kids, you want to be an arm's reach within them. And if they're older kids who are good at swimming, you always want them to swim with a partner. Second of all, you want to teach your kids how to swim. That would depend on their age and development. And especially if you have a pool in your backyard or if you live by a lake, you want to make sure your kids know how to swim. And also you want to teach them that open water is very different from swimming in the pool. You might have different visibility, weathers change, and currents, and even like uneven surfaces and just unpredictable things that can happen in the open water. And last of all, you want to wear U.S. Coast Guard approved life jacket when you're boating and doing different water activities.
Beautiful. Of course, yeah, definitely different swimming in Lake Michigan than in the backyard pool. Hey, thanks for all that great information.
Thank you.
Absolutely. You want to schedule an appointment or learn more, Trinity Health Medical Group provider, or if you maybe some of the services that they offer. It's all waiting for you in one place. TrinityHealthMichigan.org. We'll be right back.